if you grill meat regularly or meal prep for your barbecue, this is one of those tools that you didn't know you needed. At least I didn't know I needed it until I was gifted it by the brand. So thank you so much to the brand for gifting it to me. This is an absolute lifesaver for barbecuing. It's an all-around great tool. This is a prep tub, or but also, so the lid pops off like so. And as it's flattened, you have sort of what you could use this as a cutting board out at your barbecue. It's got little feet there on the bottom, so it's nice and stable, stays flat. And then it's a collapsible tub. So if you push this out, and it goes pretty deep tub. So as you can see, it collapses flat. But this is great for marinating. If you've got a big party, you could even use this. You can marinate your meat in here, veggies, anything like that. And for carrying, great for carrying all your burgers and hot dogs, things like that out to the grill as well. But it also could double as a big bucket of ice to put beer and drinks in. And then as you can see here, it has a little stopper there, a drain to drain out the liquid when you are done. So great for having a party to store beverages in to keep them cool with ice in addition to that. And it also, if you have leftovers after, it's a great way to store your leftovers too. So it's just a great, amazing tub, multi-purpose. Absolutely love this. Like I said, it folds right back down so you can use it out at your barbecue to slice up your meats. Just so many different ways you can use it. Absolutely love this. And then it stores away. It takes up no space in your kitchen, in your closets, wherever you want to store this. So love that. If you didn't know you needed one, let me tell you, you do. Got to try this out. Absolutely love it. Thanks again to the brand.